This is Mohit Rana, and I am here to share some insight for you guys about LPU or Privilege University. Before starting that, let me introduce myself. So, I am Mohit Rana. I work with Brickwork Ratings, that is the premier credit rating agency in our country, as Director Business Development. So, I am heading a zonal position, taking care of 8 verticals. So, taking care of the complete business portfolio and other things for Brickworks. Let me start with a very small line. Success is not an event, it is basically a process. To finish any great endeavor, we must start. Some people get success early and some people got it a bit late. But learning will surely be there. For that insight, what I talk about our LPU, as its name suggests, Lovely Professional University, transforming education and transforming India. It actually transforms. What I personally feel like, it actually transforms your soul in every way. When I entered the university first time, I took pledge on myself that Baba, when I'll leave, then probably I will do well in the forthcoming times, and that fortunately didn't process what we are doing today. Overall, the journey in Lovely University has been fantabulous in 5 years time, because I was doing this dual integrated MBA. So a lot of learning happened, a lot of scoldings has also happened, but eventually there are professors who actually helped me to tell my what is my core competency. During my time, I used to do a lot of presentations, lot of case studies. So they only tell me, Mohit, if you are doing good in that, you should try to explore it on a big manner. So after that, I started searching the financial markets, that is initially. So especially targeting the listed ones. So getting the information, telling to the teachers about the company, about their financials, everything. So a lot of knowledge we got at that time. So it eventually helped me to do it on a very good manner. About what are the corporate trends? Yes, guys, corporate trends has been changing daily, and we all have to adhere to new change and learnings. We should always be new. In order to make us fit, we have to be updated in every aspect, be it current trends such as politics, economy, etc. So we should walk after having the knowledge of that current trend. We can at least walk around with the outer world, which is changing. So guys, there is nothing permanent, but only we have to accept the change. So we should always have a habit for the same. I am a rigorous karma follower who does not believe in end results. Sometimes the results favor in me, but sometimes it eventually spoils also, and spoiled in a very bad manner. But at least my intent is always pure, or you can say positive, to do my best. So I never run around the records and rewards and various recognition, but I will always put my 200% to achieve that 100%. So if you'll putting your 200%, so definitely you will achieve your 100%. So this rewards and recognition will come. See, God has given 24 hours to everybody with clear remarks in 3 pair, 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 hours sleep, 8 hours work, and 8 hours with family. So if some slippage will be there from one thing or another thing, definitely it affect your life. So you should increase your confidence level, that is one. You should always focus on interpersonal skills, that is the oral and written. If you are good at oral, fantabulous. If you are good at written, that is also fantabulous, but it has to be fantabulous in both. So focus on interpersonal skill, that is must. Be focused on your proactive and the current trends. Focus more on case studies, that I told earlier. So try to resolve as much as you can. Use of technology to a wider level, that is also prime thing. Always be motivated, don't demoralize in any manner, be it what has happened, don't get demoralized. Always use the concept of karma. Try to learn and work with more in a team factor kind of thing. Always use a we, do not use I. If you are in a team, definitely the success will be 2x or 3x or 10x. Try to learn and work for the current streams skill, such as your marketing, your analytical, the project management, presentations, which altogether can combine, and you should all become a good leader. I do not have any career path decided in my mind, but I always think that always you should be honest with your job. So if you're honest with your job, you will be honest with your family also. Best part for a lovely university, what I personally felt, that it always gives a yes to you. That is the yes factor, which is the prime important thing. Even if you don't have any idea about anything, but if you are having the intent to yes, so university will support you in every manner. So that is the best thing about our university. Guys, all the best for your future endeavors, and stay safe, stay good, and take care of family, and take care of yourself, and study well. Okay, bye.